Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing some floral nail art inspired by NinaNailedIt. Nina is so talented and I've been wanting to recreate one of her designs for a really long time now, so that's what I'm going to do in today's video. I will leave a link to Nina's Instagram down in the description box below, but anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. So first I'm going to start off with the base coat and then 2 coats of this dark navy blue polish. This one is Brolly from Butter London. And if you want to see the full swatch video of Bonkers and Brolly, which were released from Butter London earlier this fall, you can click the card that's in the corner of your screen or the link in the description box below. Next I'm going to sketch out the floral design with some white acrylic paint and a detail brush. And I really like using acrylic paint, or at least starting with acrylic paint when I'm doing freehand nail art, because I find it a little bit easier to paint with. And also this white base is going to help those colors from the polishes that I use on top stand out even more on top of that dark navy base. I'm going to be painting on a combination of flowers, flower buds, and leaves, concentrating most of the art around the edges of my nail and then working my way towards the center. And once I'm done sketching out the floral design, I'm going to go back in on top of the acrylic paint with some nail polish. I'm going to start off with this light green polish from HANSEN called Green with Envy to color in the stems of the flower buds as well as the leaves. Next, I'm going to use this light peach polish from Butter London called Brill to fill in the larger flowers as well as the flower buds. Then I'm going to go back to the leaves and the flower stem with this medium teal polish from Butter London called Bang On to add a little bit more dimension and detail. Then I'm going to use Butter London Steady On, which is a light beige polish, to add some highlights to the larger peachy flowers, but as you can see it didn't really show up that well on top of the peach polish, so I'm going to go back in a little bit later and add some more highlights. Then I used a white polish, this one is Butter London's Cotton Buds, to fill in these smaller flowers, but I guess this step is optional since these flowers are already white from the acrylic paint. Then I'm going to go back to Brolly, which is that same dark navy blue polish that I used as the base for this nail art, to paint the centers of the larger peachy flowers. Then I'm going to use a stippling technique to add some yellow dots in the centers of these small white flowers with Butter London's Yellow Submarine. And I'm going to do the same thing over the navy blue centers of the larger flowers with the white polish. And here I'm just adding a couple more highlights with that same white polish to the large peachy flowers since that light beige polish didn't show up super well. And finally, I'm going to finish off this design with one coat of Butter London's Hardwear Shine UV Top Coat. And here is the finished floral design that was inspired by Nina from Nina Nailed It. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe. And if you want to see some of my other nail art videos, you can click the links on your screen or in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!